Happy 91st birthday, Mama
Jean.
We wish you all the best of health and happiness. Sana nandyan din kami to celebrate with you for your 91st birthday. But we are there in spirit with you. We love you, Mama.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
We may be able to come the next birthday, but not this year. So we hope that you will enjoy your celebration with your friends, with the family, and next time we will be there. Promise.
We love you.
We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Mama Jean, kamusta ka? Sana masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo. Palakas ka palagi, Mama Jean. Thank you rin sa pag-alaga mo sa akin. Happy birthday. Love you so much, Mama Jean. Miss you. Mama Jean, bags! Hi Mama Jean, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you for everything. I love you, Mama Jean. Bugs. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Jean. I love you. I miss you. Okay, let's sing the happy birthday. Okay. Tan 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 tan. Happy birthday to you. Come on, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Jean. I love you. I miss you. Bye.